Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best shrink film sheets is probably one of the most versatile and fun craft supplies available today, offering a unique way to create personalized keychains, jewelry, ornaments, and more with just a heat source and a bit of imagination. These magical sheets transform your drawings and designs into durable, colorful pieces, making them perfect for DIY enthusiasts, crafters of all ages, and anyone looking to add a personal touch to their accessories or gifts. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, shrink film sheets provide an accessible and rewarding creative outlet that brings your artistic visions to life in a tangible and exciting way. Number 5. Grafix Inkjet Printable White Opaque Shrink Film. Unleash your creativity with our printable shrink film. It's designed for easy printing, cutting, and shrinking to bring your unique ideas to life. Simply print your designs directly onto the film using your inkjet printer. The special coating ensures vibrant ink absorption, making customization a breeze. Whether you use scissors, die-cut machines, or punches, cutting your designs is incredibly easy. Adult supervision is recommended for children during this step. Watch as your creations shrink down to 20% of their original size, transforming into durable plastic pieces. Remember to plan your size and test before shrinking your final design. The possibilities are endless. Create unique jewelry, magnets, gift tags, ornaments, and so much more. It's perfect for adding a special touch to any project. This pack includes 6 sheets of 8.5 by 11 white, opaque film, perfect for all your crafting needs. It's compatible with inkjet printers and proudly made in America. What we like? This one is perfect for those who want to print designs directly from their computer. If you're looking for vibrant, detailed prints that pop, you should consider this option. It's ideal for creating professional-looking keychains and ornaments with ease. What people say. The shrink film sheets are easy to use and create vibrant, durable keychains. The sheets are pre-cut and come with a variety of colors, making them perfect for DIY projects. The finished keychains are surprisingly sturdy and hold up well to daily wear and tear. Number 4. Warckon 149 Pieces Shrink Plastic Sheet Kit. Unleash your imagination and create your own miniature world. These sheets are frosted and translucent, perfect for drawing your designs. They shrink down to 20% of their original size when heated. This kit offers a fantastic opportunity for children to create, learn, and explore their artistic side. It's a wonderful way to foster creativity and bring families closer together through shared activities. This comprehensive set comes with everything you need to get started. It includes 24 sheets of shrink film, along with various accessories like keychains, ball chains, ear hooks, and jump rings. Using this kit is incredibly easy and fun. Simply draw and color your favorite artwork, cut it out, and watch it shrink to a smaller, permanent piece in your oven. The possibilities for creativity are endless with this versatile kit. You can use them to make personalized keychains, unique jewelry, custom buttons, charming gift tags, and so much more. What we like? This is a fantastic all-in-one solution for beginners and kids. If you're looking for a hassle-free experience with all the accessories included, this is the one for you. It's great for family craft time and creating a variety of fun items. What people say. The shrink film sheets are easy to use and create vibrant, durable keychains. The film shrinks evenly, resulting in a professional-looking finish for your crafts. Comes with a good amount of sheets, perfect for multiple projects. Number 3. Warckon Shrink Plastic Sheets. Discover the magic of creating your own unique designs with our shrink plastic sheets. Perfect for all ages, these sheets offer endless possibilities for artistic expression. Each package contains 36 sanded shrink plastic sheets, featuring one frosted and one glossy side. Get ready to bring your ideas to life. These shrink art papers provide a wonderful opportunity for children to learn, explore, and create. It's also a fantastic way to strengthen bonds with your loved ones. Easily transform your drawings into miniature masterpieces. After heating, these A5-sized sheets shrink to 20% of their original size, making your creations compact and durable. The process is simple. Draw and color your favorite art, cut it out, and watch it shrink in the oven. It's a fun and engaging way to make personalized items. From keychains and jewelry to gift tags and ornaments, the applications are limitless. Let your imagination run wild and craft a variety of personalized items. What we like. If you need a larger quantity for a specific project or multiple crafters, this option is a great choice. The dual-sided finish offers versatility. It's suitable for those who enjoy making earrings and necklaces, offering a good balance of quantity and quality. What people say. The shrink film sheets are easy to use and create durable keychains. The sheets shrink evenly and the colors remain vibrant after shrinking. The product is great for DIY projects and allows for creative designs. Number 2. Benvo 157 PCS Heat Shrink Plastic Sheet Kit. Discover the Benvo 157 PCS Heat Shrink Plastic Sheet Kit, your all-in-one solution for handmade crafts. This comprehensive set provides everything you need to bring your artistic visions to life. Inside, you'll find 20 shrink film sheets, along with a variety of accessories like keychains, ear hooks, clasps, bead chains, and jump rings. It also includes a hole punch and tweezers for your convenience. Creating your own unique art is incredibly easy. Just draw, color, cut, and shrink it in the oven to reveal your personalized masterpiece. Make personalized pendants, earrings, keychains, gift tags, and more. It's a fantastic way to express your style and enjoy quality time with family. Crafted from high-quality PVC, these sheets are 0.3 mm thick with a frosted side for easy coloring. They shrink down to 20% of their original size, creating durable and vibrant designs. What we like. This kit is for the serious DIY enthusiast who wants everything at their fingertips. If you appreciate having tools like a hole punch and tweezers included, this is the set to get. It's perfect for creating intricate designs and a wide range of accessories. What people say. The shrink film sheets are easy to use and create vibrant, durable keychains. The shrink film shrinks evenly and the colors remain bright after heating. The sheets are pre-cut and perfectly sized for small keychain designs. Number 1. Warckon Shrink Plastic Sheet Kit. Unleash your imagination and create a miniature world with this frosted translucent art paper. It's designed to shrink down to 20% of its original size when heated, making your creations truly unique. This kit offers a fantastic way for children to express their creativity, learn new skills, and explore their artistic side. It's also a wonderful activity to bond with your children. This comprehensive craft set comes with everything you need to get started. It includes shrink film, keychains, ball chains, ear hooks, and open jump rings, providing endless crafting possibilities. Using this kit is incredibly easy and fun. Simply draw and color your favorite designs, cut them out, and watch them shrink in the oven to create your personalized items. The applications for these shrink plastic sheets are virtually endless. You can use them to make keychains, jewelry, gift tags, bookmarks, ornaments, and so much more. What we like. This option is ideal for smaller projects or for those who want to try out shrink film without a huge commitment. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to create personalized gifts or small batches of crafts, this is a solid choice. It's great for kids' art projects and simple keychains. What people say. The shrink film sheets are easy to use and create vibrant, durable keychains. The sheets shrink evenly and produce a smooth, professional finish for DIY crafts. Comes with pre-punched holes, making it simple to attach keyrings without extra tools. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.